Hi, Carl Kaufman here. I've got some exciting news to share with you today. We are closing in on the release date of my first book, The Ultimate Profit Playbook. It's a fully interactive investing workbook. It's going to be available in print and ebook versions, and it simplifies and organizes the research we do when analyzing a stock before adding it to our portfolio. I've never seen anything like this available for the individual investor, so I decided to create it. Now, I'd like to give you a quick glimpse into what the book will look like. And without further ado, here is the Ultimate Profit Playbook. Here's the layout and what you can expect when reading and working through this. We've given you plenty of space to work through all of your ideas. These are full-size pages. They're fully interactive, so you can use it over and over again. We're putting the finishing touches on it before we send it off to get printed. But first, I wanted to get your input on what questions you have when you're researching companies to invest in. If you could fill out this quick survey with your top 2 questions, I'd greatly appreciate it, and maybe we can add it to the book before we send it off. I can't wait to hear from you and to get this book into your hands. You can submit the survey anonymously, of course, but if you provide your email as a way of saying thank you, I'll send you some free content from the book before it's even released. Thank you so much, and here's to many happy returns.